Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today's video I will be swatching and talking about the new Essie Spring 2023 collection. This collection is called Feel the Fizzle. I have actually purchased this collection myself, but like a couple of weeks after ordering them, I actually got the exact collection in the mail through PR from Essie. So I pretty much have got a double set. So I'm still kind of like figuring out what I'm going to do with the doubles. Maybe I will do a giveaway in the future, but let's just quit the rambling and get into the swatches. Oh, and by the way, as you might have noticed already by my voice, I'm a little bit nasally at the moment because I got a really bad cold. Fortunately, it's not Aunt Roni visiting me. I've already been doing a couple of different tests on a couple of different days, but it definitely is a negative for Aunt Roni, so I'm really happy about that. But other than that, having a cold is still kind of messed up because I can't really breathe that well at the moment, so if I sound a little different, that's why. But the first color I'm swatching here already is called Ride the Soundwave. It is a nice pastel-y light blue. Most colors from this collection are just perfect for like Easter, spring, anything like that. They're really cute. Of course, you can always wear any color any time of year. There are no rules to nail art in my opinion when it comes to stuff like that, but this definitely is a very nice spring like color, but I can see myself use it as like a Christmassy, icy kind of nail color as well, especially with like some snowflakes stamped on there. It's really lovely. By the way, all of the polishes are I think around 10 euros each, of course depending where you live. I know that here in the Netherlands they are like 9.95 or something like that, but then again in Belgium they are around 13 euros, so it kind of depends where you live what the pricing is. And I do know that they are a little less expensive if you're in the States. There they are like $6 or something, or at least that's what I've been told. But yeah, let's just continue swatching. Next one is more of like a glittery shimmery topper. This one is called Feel the Fizzle, which is actually the polish that the entire collection is like named off. Let's just put it like that. It really isn't a super buildable polish, I'd have to say. If you want to get this one completely opaque, it's just not happening. Dream on, just don't do it. You will have to add so many coats, it won't be a pretty sight. It will be really thick and glumpy and goopy and ugh, not good. But other than that, it is a very lovely shimmery color which looks really cute on top of any base color that you put it underneath. So yeah, it is a cute color, quite shimmery, but just not buildable or opaque at all. The next one is called Don't Burst My Bubble, and I have to say that this color and the next one that I will be swatching after this are my favorites from this collection. Don't Burst My Bubble is like the perfect lavender kind of color. I just love tones like these. I think it was like last year, or was it last year, or was it the year before already, that a lavender kind of shade like this was like the color of the year by Pantone. I actually can't remember, but they are hot, they are popping, they are definitely on trend. I have to say the entire collection so far that I have seen, or collections that I've seen from other brands as well, are very much on trend at the moment. I feel like pastels, pastel neons are really a thing at the moment, which I love because they're just really cute and bright and just, oh, I like it. This one once again is opaque within 2 coats. All of the creamy colors lately by Essie are completely opaque within 2 coats. If you have a really good one like a metallic-y one or something, they can be opaque in 1 coat already, but I feel like for the creamy colors like the ones in this collection, apart from the shimmery glitter topper, are good to go within 2 coats, especially on my length of nails. Then the next one, definitely one of my favorites. This one is called in the EU-Niverse. I love the names that they've given these polishes. This one is actually quite similar to a lilac color that I have from Essence, which isn't available anymore. So if you're into that or looking for that, I actually had someone in the comments underneath a couple of my videos asking for a dupe for that lilac kind of color by Essence. This one comes pretty close. I do have to say, the Essence one applies a little, I don't know, in my like memory recollection, I feel like this one definitely needed a second coat, and the Essence one was a little bit more opaque, but like, correct me if I'm wrong, I really can't remember. I swatch so many damn polishes in a week, it's insane. But you know what you're gonna do if you're a nail polish collector, hoarder, enthusiast, and so on. So yeah, next one is called It's High Time. It's a pastel, like minty green kind of tone, really cute. Usually I'm not a big fan of greens, but colors like these, like pastel or pastel neon ones, I actually really like. So I don't know if there's something strange happening to me again, but I actually begin like, or at least start to like, green polishes a little bit more. Maybe it's just the time of year that I'm like, oh, that's really cute for like an Easter design, or I don't know. Like, don't pin me on this, but at the moment I'm liking greens. But it's high time. As you can see right here within that first coat already, it is quite opaque for such a light shade, which is something that I love. Also, I really want to applaud the fact that Essie has such a nice, like, lovely white brush that actually contains a really nice amount of polish when you're using it. It's really easy to work with. It applies so nicely. As you can see right here, it is just flawless. Like, it's not streaky. I don't feel like it picks up polish like from the previous layer that you've applied. Sometimes that happens with brushes as well. It just works really nicely. So it's high time. I think it is in my top 10 of favorite green nail polishes. Maybe I should do like a favorite green nail polish video once, just because I hate greens, and to see what I'll come up with. But to finish up this video on the new Essie Spring 2023 collection, I'm going to swatch the 6th and final color from this entire like set. This one is called Your Sensational. It is one of those colors that you either love or hate, but to be honest, I'm not quite sure if I love it or hate it. I'm not really set in my opinion about this one. It is kind of like a mix between a yellow and a green, and maybe that is taking me off a little bit because it has like green in it, but it is quite unique as a color. I do think it leans a little bit more towards yellow than green, so I don't know. Other than that, it is once again opaque within 2 coats. I think it is a really cute color, especially combined with the other pastel creamy shades from this collection. But yeah, let me know what you think about this shade. I'm a little bit like, I don't know if I really like it, or I'm like, ugh, it's just a little bit too green. Just let me know what you think, because I'm really not like really clear about it yet. But yeah, this was the entire new Essie Feel the Fizzle Spring 2023 collection. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and as usual, I hope to see you next time.